You ever wonder what 40 cubic yards of just crap looks like? Wonder no more. There it is. There's a 40 cubic yard waste container right there. Almost full. Gonna need to empty it and do one more run, I think. You think that might have needed to be replaced? I think those are barnacles. Oh my God, the mystery goop is just like flopping off onto the cabinet below. This is so disgusting. Oh my God. Oh, yummy. Oh God, it bubbled. Ah, come on, come on. Oh God. Oh, jeez. Here we go, plumbing, here we go. Ta-da! I got all the way through this with some smart switches in there, and I realized I don't have a neutral wire. This is one of those ones where it's, you know, the neutral wire is actually the return to some lights, and the same thing for the red wire. Anyway, got these in. They're dumb. Oh well. Little patch right there. Here's the other side of it. Old-timey washcloth, crammed full of drywall wood. Nice. That would be a ceiling light fixture finished off with speaker wire, and yes, that is hot. Oh, I think I finally got the last of this wiring done. So much cable. There's stuff above the fireplace still coming down. I got to tuck that up. I got data cables and power, brand new copper pretty much everywhere. I got a thermostat, 8-wire cable, because I tried to do a smart thermostat, and it turns out I don't have a common wire on these ancient wiring buses, so that'll be a project at some point. All brand new copper. I started to do the smart switches. We'll see how long that's supported for. A bunch of outlets. This door, I totally forgot that I needed to put in this box on the garage side to actually have a light in there, a light switch right when you go in the garage. So, oops, I did that. And then put a garage door cable and, you know, a little control wire for the garage door opener too. Like a third of this pallet got destroyed. It looks like the forklift slammed into the side of that. That is all wasted tile. It's going right back to the store. You can see how big it is. So each box has 4. And where is it? Weight per carton, 51 pounds. That's pretty huge, and 4 feet long. These are just too big. That's probably why they're breaking so easy. New day, new dumpster. Just remember what this sound reminds me of. When you're pulling up tack strips like that, it's like in every kung fu movie when Jet Li or Jackie Chan grabs somebody's arm and just bends it backwards to make this like celery sound like this. Even kind of looks like that. Texture's going up. Probably can't see it very well in the video, but it's a knockdown. Still have some popcorn on the ceiling. I probably would have finished that first, but it's starting to look like a good room. Look at that. All the drywall's up, except for that little spot up there. I swear every time I think I'm done with carpet, I find another freaking piece of carpet that I need to rip out and take another 1,000 freaking feet of linear tack strips. I'm out here packing another dumpster. kind of hypnotic, that mortar, you know, when you take tile up, it looks like a seashell pattern. That's kind of cool looking by itself. You know, I actually like this tile. That's not what I'm getting. I just like, it's a pet peeve of mine when you have a room where like randomly in the middle of the room it changes flooring, and then on the other side of the room it's totally different. Then you have two thresholds on both sides. So I actually like this, but I don't know. As long as I'm doing all this, I might as well just make it consistent, you know. Whoosh. Doing tiles always fun. Pieces like this. Better run that. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Come on, shatter into pieces. There you go. Okay, this old doorway is finally closed off, and I made a little bit of a mess here with the wiring. So we've got copper coming out over here, and then like 5 feet this way. Or no, we have aluminum over there, and like 5 feet over here we have copper. So something's going on. I'm 90% sure I just got stung by a scorpion. I'm not sure where, I'm not sure how big, but my hand is all tingly and numb. No bueno. Oh. I may have gone a little bit overboard with this blower. 65 cc, 972 cubic feet per minute. Oh yeah. Hurricane force wind. Don't worry though, it's only 77 decibels. Oh yeah! Whoa! Damn! This is like $8,000 a gallon. Piece of crap Craftsman plastic wheelbarrow disintegrated on me. That was my second one. Decided to get our normal steel. Worth it. It's crappy aluminum wire. Like, oh, I don't know. Let's give it a cool name, like a snake, like, you know, like anaconda. Yeah, that'll work. You know, too bad it's still aluminum and probably gonna explode, but you know, as a snake name, it can't be all that bad. I found the mother lode, the museum of wallpaper that ever was. Oak flooring. See, real oak. It bends just like real oak. Yeah, you know what? I'm not believing that. Random lengths, that I believe. If you throw these and they land at just the right angle, they make this type sound, which is really funny. Let's see if I get lucky. Oh, wow, that was not at all the right sound. Never mind.